We just made a ton of progress in our maintenance industry knowledge, learning all about the different maintenance technologies available. We went over different softwares used across the maintenance industry, such as CMMS and EAM softwares, different hardwares available for the maintenance teams, such as sensors and PLCs, and how to make sense of the data that both types of technologies collect. All of the systems covered in this section are tools that maintenance teams and personnel might use in their day-to-day work. These software and hardware technologies give maintenance teams the ability to level up their maintenance program, collect data, and provide the insights needed to help them revolutionize their business. First, we looked at CMMS, inventory management, and EAM softwares. Though the three share some similarities in functionality, they are different in their purpose for a maintenance program. Computerized Maintenance Management Software, or CMMS, is a software that stores data about maintenance performed on equipment, machinery, and other assets. A CMMS eliminates the need for manual spreadsheets, consolidating all work order management and asset management into a desktop and mobile application solution. Similarly, Enterprise Asset Management, or EAM software, collects and analyzes data for physical assets during all phases of the asset lifecycle, including the acquisition, maintenance, and disposal phase. EAM software is specifically designed for larger organizations that have outgrown simpler CMMS software. So although CMMS has some asset management functionality, EAM software is better suited for teams that have more and more complex asset management needs. Next, we covered the Internet of Things, or IoT, and sensors hardware. The IoT is a system of multiple parts: computers, machines, mechanical systems, and more, that sends data through a network without interactions from humans or computers. In other words, it is a group of objects that all connect and exchange data throughout the created shared system. Sensors are IoT devices that collect information from critical equipment and assets, trigger preset limits, and communicate data to a centralized computer system. They monitor assets and process data 24/7 to help maintenance managers make better, smarter, and faster decisions. There are dozens of different types of sensors available, but some of the most common are temperature, vibration, and humidity sensors. In the next section, we'll begin to put everything we've learned so far into practice. We'll get into the different types of maintenance strategies and how to choose which is the right approach for your team and your company.